Have you ever wondered what a wealth management professional actually does when it comes to investments? Many people assume that financial advisors just pick stocks or manage mutual funds. But thoughtful investment guidance goes far beyond choosing funds or chasing returns. In this video, we will break down how working with a qualified advisor can help bring clarity, structure, and alignment to your investment strategy. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Daniel Miller. I'm a financial advisor who helps families steward their wealth with purpose and generosity. My role is not just about managing money. It's about helping clients make intentional, values-based financial decisions, including how they invest. Investing has never been more accessible, but that does not always mean it's easier. With thousands of options, constant market headlines, and endless opinions online, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or uncertain about your next step. Without a clear plan, investing can quickly become reactive instead of strategic, and that often leads to decisions that may not support your long-term goals. In the next few minutes, I will walk through how a wealth management professional can help bring structure and strategy to your investment decisions. From helping you define your goals to building a portfolio that reflects your timeline and risk preferences, this is about creating a plan that fits your life, not someone else's opinion. Here are 5 specific ways a financial advisor can support you in your investment journey. Step 1, establishing clear goals. Before discussing any investments, a good advisor helps you clarify what you are investing for. Whether it's retirement, education, or financial independence, every plan starts with a purpose. Second, aligning risk with your reality. Understanding your personal risk tolerance and how it should evolve over time is crucial. Advisors help ensure that your portfolio is not just diversified, but also aligned with your comfort level and financial stage. Step 3 is creating a diversified investment strategy. Diversification does not guarantee profit or prevent loss, but it is an important part of managing investment risk. Advisors can help build a portfolio that spreads investments across multiple asset classes and market sectors based on your goals. Step 4 is navigating changing market conditions. Rather than reacting emotionally to headlines or volatility, an advisor can provide perspective and help you stay disciplined during uncertain times. That guidance can be a valuable anchor when it's hard to know what to do next. Lastly, reviewing and adjusting over time. Your life will change, and so should your investment plan. Advisors regularly review your portfolio and suggest adjustments to keep it aligned with your evolving needs and objectives. If you have questions about how your investments are positioned, or if you're not sure whether your current plan reflects your goals, I would be happy to talk. Every investor situation is different, and it's important to have a strategy that fits your unique path. If this video is helpful for you, please feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on making your wealth a priority. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn using the link in the description, and check out the resources available to support your financial journey. If you have questions or are looking for someone to help you think through your current strategy or do a portfolio review, do not hesitate to visit my website. Thanks for watching.